سلام واشد که یکی دیگه من وکی ویدیو هم پارت 12 گادافواره بیشتر چیزی که یه ویدیو هم بگنده با هم دیگه اگر تازه میں کانال آشنا ہوتے گا ویدیو هم گندگی میں کانال یوٹیوب سابسکرائب کنه ویدیو لایک کنه کامنت بله واسه मैं खाना तो दूसरा फिर हमारे फिर कहें था बोली मैं हम खाना वास्ते भी हम कम्युनिटी वास्ते भी तो तूने बेहतरीन गेम و गेम प्ले شما واسه رکورد بکنیم یه از این یک پیج هم ته اینستاگرام हमारा هسته آیا هم فالو داشته به ویدیوشان که آپلود بکنه جدیده و در واقع اطلاع رسانی و تریزیری اول یه روی که شما متوجه ببین البته ویدیو کامل ہے کہ یوٹیوب تو کیم بله خب بوده اما تریزری میں شما آماده کنه یه رو کنه که صحیح ببه خب دیگه گشتر خبر ندیم بریم که یه ویدیو هم با هم دیگه بگنیم خب پارت قبل تعداد که گیتیں خب بریم که چاره باره دیمه چی بی بریم یه نل جاله جاله دی بسم الله چی بیت یا خب کود رو رد که جالا خب بریم ای چی تو آره که گپی این دوزانه گپا وات موتوشی اگه ما دیتا اردلو گمانه یکی انچو گونی کجا ما این ندانم برین دیمه تباره برو برو
Those were the guys we saw with Baldur. His nephews?
Aye. Magni and Modi. The sons of Thor.
Mother always said the Aesir were the worst of gods.
دو نفر که نامیگه پسران سوران اما نامی گوشتا
They have no excuse.
Should we be okay?
They'll never even see him. The great dining hall. Envy of all Midgard. Funny. I remember there being a massive candelabra. Liven up the place. You just can't help but break things, can you?
ایسی بلایی ده
If memory serves, the Jarl's throne was just on the other side of that wall of ice.
آیا جنی اوی Hey! What the hell, chief? Whoa! چه خبره؟ یا کبھی वो ना बिगड़ता रह जाते हैं मना Come here. Ya, de ahí.
I think we can get through there.
चल जाऊंगा ते वर्गी में सही वर्गी हमले को हमारे में फर्क है ना एला मरी तो बादी इधर एक क्या दुनिया में यार हम इन्ना है लिखा ya keren fighting tell me when tell me like this get off it Ah. और कुत्ता Hey, Matt. Oh, big jump. John. Yeah, كده آخری باله. तो यार की दिखे आंगा आस्ते. इसीलिए. No, thank you. हाँ वो थी बेहतर. खबरें मरीज आखिर. ये मेमून है. Oh, ये जल्दी हरकत दिया हो. Oh, nice, nice. Hey. Bemel. Bemel. Bemel dije. Zo sanki pur saxtar ama Gorkan janak saxtara. Gorgine. Ah così, sì. Dole itti baya to sahi bejati anante idhar raat bitte majati na idhar na bitte tuan.
Something ahead.
See, lad, he's fine.
Thought it best to vanish when Thor's idiot sons showed up. You boys look like you're gearing up for quite the journey.
You quit that shit. I mean it. He went to war with
Let's do it.
Uncle has to see straight in the
Edake.
His father believes him, so do we. So you will stop talking, focus, and help me find him. Can't disappoint father. Smack you, boy. No, we cannot disappoint father. Now keep looking.
Sometimes the best purchase is the one we don't.
Edake içine berbadi. Edake oh.
Hurry, brother. We make it a piece of the chisel and be gone before they even notice.
Yapir.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Boy. Surrender. The All-Father demands it. No.
Taslim beshi.
This fight is mine, boy. Go.
Jange si to bro. Uddan servisi ama ek audi gusega ek aur de maninge
The
bya.
little freak's got a bow. What are we gonna do?
Patam kutuile me koi aur de maninge. Oi. Zahir be. Wow. Ah, push seria.
I can't remember the last time we faced an actual challenge. Call this a challenge. An old man and this stillborn lad. Unbelievable. You mean to impose the
Kita pergi.
You've got some father, kid. I almost feel bad for you.
Jom. Wahsyam. No, mardam.
Stay behind me, boy.
Chivit.
Why do you hunt us? What does Odin want?
25 हमारा शिकार करेंगे उस दिन छील होती हाँ अच्छी है
Shut up! Don't call me that!
Oh no मर्द ये नहीं हर चीज को ना जाने वाला
Can't believe you.
बोरो
I said shut up!
Calm yourself, boy.
बोरो कुतुले कैसी
Looks like they need another lesson. Nothing to teach, brother.
ए मेरे डे
Daddy's embarrassed to have to drag you around. Shut it out.
Netta çeşme tariki to kare na amardam. Ya yatasın.
Don't talk about my mommy.
Allah. At pada tarso. Ese. Para.
To try. Sorry, lot of steps, yeah?
Borade. Bala.
Gonna turn around your carcass to us. Heads up, assholes.
Borade.
It's a little rough for his
Boy, stay focused.
Nomad.
I got the runt. Hang on, lad.
Bill में हरकतें जो ना अवली वो دفاعي ناكو सांभल अल्ले इलानतिया पुश्तेगा यार मग जाते के तदिया खरा इतनी वो
Boy, stay focused.
I'll take the run. You won't need to let you suck on it.
Shut up, you bastard!
ये चाहिए
More than happy to teach, brother. You moron! Stop! The small one's yours. Tell me.
मैंने भी जेने चुप यहाँ से भी
Mother must have been some whore to lay with the likes of him.
I'll kill you!
अच्छा गेट तो मारा हुआ
Control yourself.
जाती ओ जाती या चिंचू होने भी हाहा सर तो का ब्या ये ब्या ना
You have no idea. You son of a bitch!
हाँ जाती जाती सही जानती जा जानता हूँ ऐसे कलाम हो जाए यहाँ मेरे की बेख्याल
Sickness.
मरीज है शी
Fever has returned.
गद्दार गेड़ दे
No,
जाली के
it
नहीं
hasn't.
Boy,
The coffin, the blood. The boy's sick, he needs Freya.
No.
चलो शी मरीज दे मां जादूगरी नहीं आ जाने
steady.
और तो लोग जाली के
Be
नहीं
all right.
मां वश
There you
बने
go,
शी
lad.
वशी वड़ा
fine,
नहीं
see?
Okay, bidding.
We should keep an eye on him.
İçiye girgin legendary ama şak jeti içine içiye. Nişan içiye bastante. Hoppere edam. İçiye gireceğim. Aa. Ben proşti. Cristal içine de deriko. Seni çikango.
Enough.
Should do.
The
With
magic
that, we can carve the
chisel.
travel room to Jotunheim. Get you where you need to go. Oh, incidentally, all those magically sealed doors we've seen can now be unlocked. Like that one
हाँ
round
ये
the
दर
corner.
किसी काबिल पाँच
You
ना
can
कुछ
get
नहीं
through
बयां
that door there now that you've got the chisel.
Chafan. Aja, kebal. Ni lah kan pacakan kopla.
You killed Maggie.
That he did.
He was a god. But you killed him.
Minor Aesir, perhaps. But I.
And his father's Thor.
Not minor. Not minor at all, him. Not go over well in Asgard.
I defended us. Nothing more. I fear no judgment.
Judgment, no. But if vengeance is any concern.
Since when can you kill a god?
İyi, etmanı bad paçi, böyle şey cheap. Ay. Kişi de tapta. Hop. Bu mu yan bad amingo baby. ज़ाहिर नहीं अगर बोल दे शायद बल्कि बोल दे खाप बोरो बादी प्रोफेसर चांग गुबरे ये नहीं सरगुशा अपनी करें हाँ ये फिक्र आओ जेंदे हाँ लगी थी इधर शर्तर दायर बित्ते समोदे अते हो बेदाम लेजेंडरी है पता गेप्ती नगाना चाहिए हाँ ये फकना हमें आयते में के तबरे चक्का ये बेंच तबरे चक्का कहते दुदाना सैदाना जागा आयते में ये रुएगा यमशानी का गंदे छायर ने पता ये रे कने Berenjala.
I know of a place that may contain some
Wait,
useful
we
treasure.
were here before.
पर
What's right
गए
now?
हैं सब कुछ हम चनान ए पचनवी aha ni पाम तो इस तो पच भी वो तो जाल है क्रिस्टल है कब तक आवधी ये
I don't think the lad's doing too
ये
well.
अगर बिजी राम दौड़ दे इधर ओ बेचनाने
If so,
ni
then
पच
keep
भी
up.
Yes, sir.
खबरें गिरनी Bale خودمون تبر ارتری آپدیت بگی اصلا نقش و نگارش تر بگم کلا جذاب تر بگی چه
Any interest in checking it out?
بریم یه داره اه tak
realized. Magni didn't come back to life.
That is interesting. It's known the Aesir find their own way to Valhalla. No Valkyrie escort, no processing at the gates of Helheim.
ये वो तो दर्द
That
हुआ
may be
सबका
significant.
Step aç kendim. Yazı benim kristal aman boruz que işe yani kristal benim yerine yerine जगह ini क्या सारी साड़ी और यहाँ मस्जिद
Look.
Anga doğru emşi cenaze mutarrı geçen mi odene gule.
What is this place?
Fishermen would bring their day's catch into this port and use that contraption to send some of it directly to the Jarl's main kitchen. The rest was sorted and sold.
There is an exit under the thumb. Find a way across.
Ayşe rada burada ça.
There's a path to the exit on the other side.
Daha yavaş bitti diye oraya tarihte hariz dimazda. Ha, içika. Chicken again. Doğru doğru. Sağda bir şeyden sağda kur doğru da o içi daşta. Sağda ne zinciri. Uçtu şu rope. Sağda naam ke zinciri ne. Yere. Kop. Chessa begere awal. Berendima. Lo que se prendo. Que bodo.
Back under this pond. We're almost there.
Everything we just did.
वो तो बाहर
Climbed around
जाती
a
है
dead
मौज
giant,
आगा ऐसा
rode a giant falling hammer, fought some bad gods. What do you think Mother would say?
Bet you have come a long way.
What now then? Maybe Freya ought to have a look at the boy.
No, I feel better now. I just needed to catch my breath. Where do we go next?
Well, now that we've got the giant's chisel, we need to learn the travel rune to Jotunheim, so we can carve it into that special gateway atop the peak, and open realm travel to the land of the giants.
You don't know it?
Alas, no. But the serpent did mention that the giants had entrusted that secret to Tyr.
Isn't Tyr dead?
Aye, but his hidden vault is very much in reach. The doors are beneath his temple, submerged in the lake for generations until our snake friend shifted his weight. There we shall find the fabled Black Rune of Jotunheim.
We could also explore some more. We got that chisel now, and that vault isn't going anywhere. Seems a shame to waste the boat.
We shall see, boy.
ये जावे गए संतू का इम्तियाज करेगी आए हम सिल्वर में चला है
Last we were in a boat, you had just started the story. What did you want to tell me about the Long War?
Both sides suffered tremendous losses, and for many of us, quite frankly, war was simply no fun anymore. But a rather senseless waste of precious life. Wouldn't you agree, brother? Precisely.
टाइट
Enough
करने
was
का
enough. And at last, Odin's most brilliant advisor became determined to find a more enlightened path.
Go
He
to
set about to broker a
Charles.
peace between the gods. Took some convincing, but ultimately Odin was persuaded to marry his deadliest enemy, a certain Vanir goddess, legendary not only for her fertile beauty, but her genius at the very Vanir magic that Odin had long aspired to master.
Freya married Odin? What was in it for her?
It was a sacrifice to protect her people, a selfless act of love. Truly, she...
Ooh, Tyr's vault is behind that magical wall.
Okay. दो में कुछ दो है इसकी सही आने की है फिर दो दो देता हूँ
Wow.
Floor
Can't believe
the
we're setting foot in Tyr's vault.
vault.
Another one of these.
Bet aí, yeah.
It's Tyr, but the middle panel is missing. Wait, I
Middle
thought Tyr
panel
was a
is
god,
amazing.
not a giant.
Aye, but he was loved by everyone, including the giants. Other than me, he was the only one they gifted with their special sight. Hey, I wonder if the giants left a triptych about me somewhere too.
Siri के एक्सी किसी गिफ्ट के ओल्ड लंजी रुकता
Go ahead.
Actually, come look. Let me show you how to read this.
That is not
You've
necessary.
taught me so much. Let me teach you something.
Gee.
Atreus.
Come on. You already speak it. Learning to read won't be that hard.
I know how to read, boy. Just not this tongue.
You're halfway there already then. Okay. So the runes
شو أنت
represent
ياد
a lot of
وانا
different
شو
things.
وانا بلدنا
Some
فقط
gods,
يزبانه
some animals.
Wait,
Some... Oh,
Okay.
am I going too fast? Sorry.
not that.
ليش ما تيجي
You
كذا
smell something.
شينا small يعني ما بوي إحساس كنا
Yeah, I do.
شيا
Smells
مانا
like-
إحساس كنا
Rain?
آها إيه نعم أرجعتي و
I earned that fucking hammer. And now, everyone's gonna think I only got it. Because Maggie's
جيدكم
gonna be a joke. But if I kill you, no one's gonna laugh at me.
Oh get ready
Oh,
Here
you
he is.
dumb. That your father's doing? Or did you get it from your mum? She's stupid and ugly.
Shut up!
Oh نعم أرد
You don't know anything about my mother.
Oh, it's true.
هاي ما
But I'm
تتوين
gonna get to
كني
know
أسوي
you
كذا
really
مورجنا
well. You're gonna be my new brother. Right
तो
after
इसी
I
मनी
finish
बराबर
killing your
जदीद
father.
है बल्ले बाद हैं कि पता वो क्वेश्चन करके करते हैं अच्छी बिच्छी है
Whoops. I think I broke him.
हाँ वाला बात है
Stay back.
यार पादा पैदा के Ready. तो मस्ती है तू ना दार पादा
This isn't over.
मुझे तमाम नवीद था
Brother, the boy.
यार शे अच्छा
Atreus.
You have to get into Freya quickly. There's no other way.
बदबरती में जादूगर कर रहा सरी बुरो बने जादूगर कर रहा बड़ा बुरो वे ask Freya for help बुरो उसे Freya जो उस कमर कुमार का Freya में जादूगर हैं में जादूगर जने में जिंगुरो बुरो
Take the boat. Freya's isn't far.
सजी जो तारीख भी आसमान सोर तर पुरवा पुरो औचा आसमान दी वड़ी तर रे आए निर्दाय मारे ची अतका पद जागा ओ बुरो
Odin's eye is on you, brother, especially now that you've taken to killing his kin. There's forest is a blind spot for him. This is our smartest move. And if anyone can heal him, it's her.
What is happening to him?
I've seen it in mortals. Some conflict of the mind expresses itself as an ailment of the body. Never in a god. But a god believing himself mortal. I can only imagine. We're almost there.
Hop, tayar var atte. तारे का वेल कवर चौका है
Somebody just called the serpent.
ikke bulanci ja shekur ja बच्चे को सारू तामुल ने आशुफ्ते हैं गशंग
The fever burns hotter. He is shaking.
It's serious. We must hurry.
Doctor तो बद लड़ते हैं करी करें
Freya! Open the door! We need your help! Woman, do you hear me? It is urgent.
I'm still a god. Go away.
The boy has fallen ill. Freya! He's ill.
Inside.
This is no ordinary illness. The boy's true nature, your true nature, fights within him.
I did this to him. Will you help me?
Of course.
Prosto.
There is a rare ingredient found only in Helheim. The keeper that protects the Bridge of the Damned. I need its heart.
قلب यहाँ दाखिल क्रिस्टल में से आई है मलोटा
This one.
It is a land of unyielding cold. Fires cannot burn there, and no magic in all the 9 realms can create a blaze. As for the dead, your frost axe will be useless. You'll need to find something else.
أكسمت تبارك ترجعون شيء وده ترجعابنا تريق سلا إديك نيا.
Then I must return home.
हम बात बार करते हैं लोगों से.
Dig up a past us. Stay buried.
वो तपीस तरीके सला शारे करने का मधु तशामशीर की वो बिट्टी का वो माँ अव्वल ऐसा शामशीर खुजाएं ले तो को मालूम नहीं चीज़ को दोस्त है आई वो बिट्टी का आने में जागा इशारे को
When you are there, do not under any circumstances cross the Bridge of the Damned. There is no road back. Understand?
Boy.
Himalay. You must hurry. Through my garden, there's a path leading to my boat. Take it. Return home, dig up your past, do whatever you need to do. Just bring me back.
भले असला है अलगा वीर को तो कहते हैं कि आज को गुज़श्ते होती है बिशमशी यानी पता रोग नहीं आए रंदा चालिब भी बड़ा
when last we spoke. I was...
No. You were right to distrust the word of a god. No need to explain. Not to me, not for that. I will keep him safe. That's a mother's promise.
Helheim of all places. You all right, brother?
I will do what I must. Leave me...
Oh, cheat. Rogue and Loga Padawan Shamshira and with the blade on Girga. Blade on the guy good as you. Oh, then I get total of it. İpi game içiye güzelleşti karı çamman demek ki dostun torsta çişiya jalebin oh आते एक के चमा एलाया यूनान अमा खुदायान यूनानी के कोष्टे गंती नती इसी कुशगी ने ऐसी तसादुफी जनाएक भी इसी अवता फदा को आते ही ना ऐसा था और सर तो क्या हो रहा
Get out of my head.
मन सरा चदारा इसी Valkyrie buradan uçta hatta Şemşir'de منتظر नहीं sen buradan था ay akiriyan वो तो दिए में ये होती लोग आने यानी सी दौर पर द्रो वालकिरियां गत्ता हुआ छारा भी ay ki खुल लिया हुआ क्या बोर्जा आया कि adelante violate volveré así cosa te cae देखो छक तबर जाने ना मतलब याकी हैं पता तबर हम खासियत याकी हैं ना जाओ अल्लाह ओह पोस्टा चार यार ओफली है तो इसी तरह पे से Что то ахри. Ideala. Aynen. आज कुवती कोल्वे पदाति लोगा ब्लेदान कशगा जाले ये जमीन नहीं आया अकेला Vale. याद है कभी की पीस रही है ना किच्छ तो ये बले ही रास्ते का खाली होने वाले यार को दो से तो कैसे होने नहीं की कोई बले था शमशीर होती है क्या वार्ता छो लड़ते का पुष्ण धीरे को पता
There's nowhere you can hide, Spartan.
गुस्सिए रहा है इन्हें कि तुम माफी के नहीं कि बहने तो आएगा तो आज देखते लोटे ये तारीफ ना था तो न तो वाणु करने चीज़ी कि तुम नए मुअल्लिम या शोहर या वहाँ अंतर या फिदार एच खुदा ने शीशी नए बल्कि या कि आगे कि तुम न तो चाहिए तू ने बताते तो आई न तो ने तारीफ बदले तो हमेशा या कि बाई या खयूला है
But I am your monster no longer.
बल मन तई है यूला दिगे तई है यूला नया तो قبلا हमेशा बिचे की बिता है जुरा है ओ ताज़े शमशीर दिगे लाइव ताज़े शुरू है बड़ा खब ये पार्टा में तमाम कना इदामनी आदि पार्टा वहाँ शो गेंदे बड़ा